Hey coders! Choosing the right code editor can supercharge your workflow. Today, we're pitting Visual Studio Code against Cursor AI to see which one's best for you. Let's dive in. First up, Visual Studio Code or VS Code from Microsoft. It's a free open source editor loved for its flexibility. With a massive extension marketplace, it supports tons of languages like Python, JavaScript, and more. Features like IntelliSense for smart code completion, built-in Git integration, plus with extensions like GitHub Copilot, you get AI-powered code suggestions. Now, Cursor AI. Built as a fork of VS Code, it's an AI-first editor designed for speed and productivity. It integrates advanced AI models like GPT-4 and Claude for context-aware code completion, multi-line edits, and natural language commands, like asking it to write a function in plain English. Its chat interface lets you debug or refactor code by asking questions about your project. It's pricier, starting at $20 a month for the Pro plan, but it's a powerhouse for AI-driven coding. So how do they stack up? VS Code shines with its vast extension ecosystem and cross-platform performance, perfect for developers who love customizing their setup. It's free, stable, and great for large projects, but its AI features depend on extensions like Copilot. Cursor AI, on the other hand, has AI baked into its core, offering smarter suggestions and project-wide context. It's ideal for rapid coding and beginners. It's less flexible outside its own environment and can lag with big files. Here is a quick breakdown. Features. VS Code offers robust extensions. Cursor AI has superior built-in AI. Ease of use. VS Code is customizable but manual. Cursor AI is intuitive with natural language. Performance. VS Code is lightweight. Cursor AI can slow on large projects. Cost. VS Code is free. Cursor AI's Pro plan is $20 a month. Best for VS Code for customization and stability. Cursor AI for AI-driven productivity. So which wins? If you want a free customizable editor with a huge community, go with VS Code. If you're after AI-powered coding and don't mind the cost, Cursor AI is your pick. Try both and let us know your favorite in the comments. Happy coding, like and subscribe for more videos.